I can lift heavy weight. I can break wood plank. I can do everything. No one here is as strong as I am.
Who is the strongest person here?
I am the strongest man here.
Can you help me push my car to the gas station?
Yes, I can.
No, I can't.
We can do some things and we cannot do some other things.
But we should never be proud. Can you jump?
Yes, I can.
Can you draw pictures?
Yes, I can draw pictures.
Can you fly?
No, I cannot fly. Can you speak Russian?
No, I cannot speak Russian.
I can climb a tree, but I cannot swim. I can touch the top of the shelf, but I cannot touch the top of the almirah. I can climb a tree, but I cannot swim. I can touch the top of the shelf, but I cannot touch the top of the almirah.
Can and cannot is used for showing ability and inability in the present. Say 3 things that you can do and 3 things that you cannot do. Drag suitable words from the list and fill in the gaps. See the picture and complete the sentence. Mamun can cook rice, but he cannot cook biryani. See the picture and complete the sentence. Mishu can draw a flower, but she cannot draw a frog. See the picture and complete the sentence. Kiran can make a paper boat, but she cannot make a paper butterfly.
Grandfather, can you pick me some mangoes?
Oh dear, I can't. I'm old now. When I was young, I could climb on big trees. I could run very fast.
When I was a baby, I could not walk, but now I can.
When I was young, I could climb on big trees. When I was a baby, I could not walk. Could and could not is used for expressing ability and inability in the past.
Say 3 things you could not do when you were a child.
See the pictures and fill in the gap with could not, can, cannot. Reza could not operate computer 2 years ago, but now he can. Mrs. Tapushi could walk fast when she was young, but now she cannot. Oishi could not ride cycle when she was 5, but now she can. Reza could not operate computer 2 years ago, but now he can. Mrs. Taposhi could walk fast when she was young, but now she cannot. Oishi could not ride cycle when she was 5, but now she can. Kolim could not read and write when he was a child. Dear students, do you know what can and could are called? These are called modal verbs. After modal verbs, we always use the base form of verbs.